Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Queen Kiss the Moon, chapter 61. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Wan Ting and Shangyi. One thing at this moment, she's been tying up Shangi. How come she has so many ways? She said, both nice and unpleasant things, but still can't drive me away. One thing said to Shangi, no, this means that she's not expecting that one thing will do this to her. Instead of staying in a good place abroad and being a good doctor, he had to come back to play reconciliation scheme. One thing said to Shangyi. Now, looking at One Thing, she seems to be getting jealous by this, and said to her, selfish and corny, that's what Dr. Ye, she thinks about her. But someone will really get punished today. Look at Shangyi, she's been tied up, and said, so annoying. Well, One Thing is still the best, right? Shangyi, she kept teasing One Thing, but One Thing, she kissed her gently. Now, she moved closer to her. My waist is so sore in the position. Why don't you hug me? Well, you just said I was the best. One Thing said to her. Well, it doesn't know that One Thing can really trick her like that. She was supporting her vow and said, to be both domineering and gentle, why do our big stars have so many requirements? One thing she keep asking Shangyi about this. Well, they are all big stars, so it's normal to ask for more. Shangyi said to her, but now, One Thing, she looks happy after hearing that. Shangyi said to her, well, for Shangyi, stop it. It's so itchy. It doesn't matter how many people like me. I only like you, and you can obviously feel it the most. Shangyi, oh, it seems that she is really faithful to her. Now, do you like this kind of vending and domination? One thing said to her, it could be a little more extreme. Oh, this girl surely want more. But one thing, if you go farther, I won't be able to get out safely later. Well, I owe you the money for now, and I settle the account with you after I'm done with this. One thing said to her. Well, One Thing, before she go, she kissed her gently. Well, Shangyi, she is really getting tricky, right? Moreover, One Thing, it seems to be more domineering person than her. Well, One Thing, she moved closer to Shangyi. Well, One Thing, at this moment, she is really unstoppable. Also, she keeps getting closer towards Shangyi. Shangyi, she seems to be happy. Now, deposit the stamp. I'll wait for you to collect the money. Well, One Thing said, okay, just don't cheat when the time comes. Oh, this girl, they're really enjoying coaxing each other, especially for One Thing. But Shangyi keep asking her, you tied it, you're responsible for untying it, but you're asking for too much. So it seems that she really don't want to untie her so she can able to escape, but One Thing, look at her. She seems to be surprised. Shangyi, she is really getting tricky, although at this moment they really look cute, teasing each other like that. Since One Thing, she's in the mood. Now, makes sense. She moved close to Shangyi and she was untying her hands by grabbing and trying to untie it without holding her hands. Now, looking at Shani, it seems to be she's puzzled. Even though she was untying it slowly, it's really different ways for her. Like, she really feels something for this. Well, Shani, does she expected that One Thing will really act like this? The more you avoid her, the more you care about her, the more she will feel that she can influence you. Since she said that it's just a job, then just treat it as a job. One thing, she's trying to teach her a lesson. I won't pay the penalty, especially since I have to pay it to her family. We won't do anything. Would you just a disadvantage, Wan Ding said to her. Now, Shangyi, she moved closer to Wan Ding and said, Fortunately, I brought you with me. I feel much more ease with you around. Okay, get out now. Wan Ding said to her. Well, still, Shangyi, she is really happy that Wan Ding was here. I still have to clean up the mess. Well, she was right. Shangyi said, let's clean it up together. But it seems that one thing, she want her to go so she can able to go shoot again. You can still do your work. I do mine. Let's finish the work early and go back home early. One thing said to Shangyi. Well, finally, the misunderstanding is already solved and Shangyi, she can really work right now. One thing, I only like you. You must remember this. Shangyi said to her. Okay, got it. Go and get busy. One thing said to her. Well, when she turned around, she kissed her again. Shangyi, she is really getting tricky. Well, finally, said to her. Then, I'm leaving. This girl, even though she was going to leave, she can always bear to leave one thing. It's like she really want to get closer, always together. Well, finally, she was leaving and she's closing the door. But looking at one thing, it seems to be she noticed something. She turned back. Oh, that was a photo. Roughly, it was a promotional photo. Now she can see it. But remembering the two, they have a fuss and they've been together. It makes sense. She's really getting jealous. Now, someone has messaging her. It was a known number and said to her, Sorry, but I won't give up just like that. Whoa, probably it was Dr. Ye who was trying to bother her. Now, let's see. On what's gonna happen next, it seems that the relationship it's really getting better. And also, let's hope that Dr. Ye will really leave her alone this time. Thank you for supporting Anna Maria. Thank you for joining membership today. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by a Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!